Yo, what is up guys? Today I have a very original video. We're going to be trying to geocache for money. Now here's what the app looks like. And if you guys do not know what geocache is, then it's basically this app that you can find some treasure that people have placed and then they have like marked on the app. So you go to this treasure and then they kind of give you like a little bit of a hint. You can also press this button that literally says hint and then it helps you. And sometimes these treasures, usually they'll be like, you know, some toy in it, some cool item in it. And then you're supposed to put an item back in it if you're actually like nice. But sometimes you can find money in these, alright? And even if you don't, some of these toys maybe you can resell. So we're going to be seeing if we find anything great. And I'm probably going to go to like 5 locations. Because it's not like they're everywhere, but they're not that bad. So let's open the app and I'll show you guys a screenshot of all the locations. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about 6, 7, 8 locations that are green by me. Now the green ones are free. You don't have to pay. And then the white ones you have to pay for like a premium. Now I don't know if those actually have money in them. So if you guys want to see that, then leave a like down below and also comment if you want to see that. But today we're gonna be trying to make some profit on geocaching. All right, guys. So I'm leaving. Yo, someone's close. Hey, the garage, bro. Yeah, Mom, you locked me in the garage. Thank you. Oh my God, woman moment, dude. All right, guys. So what I was trying to say before I was locked in the garage is that I'm leaving right now to the first geocache, which is on this hill. So let's get there. All right, guys, so before you do go out geocaching, just know that it is a very hard thing to do. So guess where our geocache is in this location. If you guess the lamppost, you're right, bro. Okay, I gotta take this thing out real quick. I'll just wait, I'll put down my camera. Come on. So here it is. It looks like there's Play-Doh in there, actually. All right, guys. So let's do our little opening now. So here's the geocache. It was under a lamppost. So let's open it up, see what we got. So first, we've got a bottle cap. Yo, that's a big find. All right, we got this little slip. And basically it has everyone when they found it. So that's pretty cool, it just shows. And then we got Play-Doh. So that is a find, guys. We already started off. Let's see if it's actually filled with Play-Doh. Ugh. Look at that, it's actually filled with Play-Doh. So we found Play-Doh. That's our first one. That's like, I don't know, that's something, you know, it's something. All right, guys, so I got change and I'm gonna put that in there. There you go. Lock it back up. And boom, we just traded, like that was only like 50 cents, alright, I'm gonna be honest. But we got 50 cents for one Play-Doh. Steal! Alright guys, so we just found our next one and it looks like this. And it's camouflage, it had a Lego in it, had this bracelet, you know, I'll just show it to you guys. And then it had this weird key right here. Like this old rusty key, and it had like a bunch of like eggs on it or something. It was kind of gross. It's Lego, so I'm gonna put the Lego in for the bracelet, you know? So you always gotta return something to them. All right guys, so I officially have found our last one. It was in this white capsule and that pole right there. Now we're in the outlets right now, by the way. All right guys, and we have found our next one. So let's see what's inside of it. So it's in this little like airbag, and then I'm gonna open it up real quick. Looks like there's just like a leaf and then like this plastic thing. But this, alright guys, in the bag there was just a little eraser, and it had a little car shape on it. So it was pretty cool. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. We did find actually 4 in all. I went to the last one and there was like this old couple, no offense, but they're old. And they're literally sitting on this bench for 1 hour, dude. I was like sitting there just like watching them and they were just staring at me like, but they did not leave for like an hour, so I just gave up. And now I'm back home. It's actually a different day. I'm just editing the video. But in all, I would say that if the premium does have, you know, bigger items that you could actually resell, then I'm gonna get the premium. But if it doesn't, that I'm not gonna get the premium. Can you make profit off the normal like geocache? I would honestly say yes, but the thing is that you need to know like on the geocache item, it says if the packaging is small or large. Usually when it's large, it contains like more items, which is obvious. But if it says micro, like all of these did, and I feel like the premium you need to buy for the larger ones, but if it says micro, then it's most likely just gonna be like something not too big and then like a slip. So maybe there will be like a $1 in there, and that's actually profit, but it's not good profit in the time you're spending. Leave down below in the comments if I should buy premium, and I'll see you guys next time.